Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Car Release TV channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the stunning 2025 Alfa Romeo Giulia. A car that doesn't just blend into the crowd, but stands out with its bold Italian flair and thrilling performance. If you're into sports sedans that combine style, power and precision, you're in for a treat. Let's get started. The 2025 Alfa Romeo Giulia is a true standout in the compact sports sedan segment. While many competitors focus on sleek, understated designs, the Giulia proudly flaunts its Italian heritage with a sharp roofline and its iconic trefoil grille. This car doesn't just look good, it's built to perform. Under the hood, you'll find a turbocharged 2.0-litre four-cylinder engine that pumps out an impressive 280 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the Giulia delivers a driving experience that's as exhilarating as it is refined. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through twisty roads, this sedan's precise steering and responsive handling will keep you fully engaged. For 2025, Alfa Romeo has simplified its trim lineup. Gone are the Sprint, TA and Veloce options. Instead, the spotlight is on the Tributo Italiano edition, which takes things up a notch with mechanical and design upgrades. This model features a limited slip differential, adaptive suspension, and 19-inch dark aluminum wheels with eye-catching red calipers. The Giulia remains rear-wheel drive as standard, but if you're looking for extra traction, all-wheel drive is available at an additional cost. No matter which configuration you choose, the Giulia's turbocharged engine delivers brisk acceleration and a satisfying exhaust note that's music to any car enthusiast's ears. The car also offers 3 drive modes: dynamic, natural, and advanced efficiency. These modes adjust the transmission, engine response, and steering to suit your driving style. Whether you're pushing the limits on a back road or enjoying a relaxed commute, the Giulia stays composed and confident. In performance tests, the rear-wheel drive model hits 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.7 seconds, while the all-wheel drive version shaved that down to 5.5 seconds. That's some serious speed for a compact sedan. Inside, you'll find luxury touches like leather sport seats with power bolsters and memory settings, aluminum shift paddles, and an upgraded audio system. So, what do you think of the 2025 Alfa Romeo Giulia? It's a car that combines Italian elegance with heart-pounding performance, making it a top contender in its class. If you're as excited about this beauty as we are, let us know in the comments below.